Welcome to Brainetainment, your reliable source of fascinating health facts and insights. Today, we're exploring an intriguing topic. What would happen if you ate a lemon every day for a month? Considered powerhouses of essential nutrients, lemons hold a myriad of potential health benefits. But what if you were to make them a daily dietary staple? From their vitamin C-rich content to their potential impact on digestion, we'll delve into what this tangy fruit can offer. So let's dive in and discover what happens when you eat a lemon every day for a month. From day 1 to day 7, your body starts to experience some immediate changes. As you introduce this zesty citrus fruit into your daily regime, you might notice some intriguing effects. Firstly, let's talk about digestion. Lemons, being high in pectin fiber, aid in fighting hunger cravings, and the sour taste of lemon juice can stimulate your stomach to produce more digestive enzymes. This can lead to improved digestion, especially if you're sipping on warm lemon water in the morning. Now onto hydration. Lemons are about 90% water. Consuming them daily could help to increase your hydration levels, particularly if you're someone who struggles to drink enough water throughout the day. Plus, the invigorating taste of lemon might just make that glass of water a bit more appealing. But it's not all about the tangy taste and hydration. Lemons are also packed with vitamin C. This essential vitamin is a powerful antioxidant that can help protect your cells against free radicals. Just one lemon provides about 30% of your daily vitamin C needs, so eating one every day could give your immune system a noticeable boost. However, it's not all sunshine and citrus. There are potential side effects to be aware of. For some, the high acidity of lemons might cause heartburn or upset stomach, and those with sensitive teeth should be cautious too. The citric acid in lemons can erode tooth enamel over time, so if you start to notice any discomfort, it might be best to cut back or consult with a healthcare professional. So the first week might seem a bit challenging, especially if you're not accustomed to the tartness of lemons or if you notice any of the potential side effects. But hold on tight, because the benefits are starting to show. Your digestion is improving, your hydration levels are up, and your body is receiving a daily dose of vital vitamin C. Each day brings you closer to understanding the full impact of this citrus experiment on your health. So the first week might seem a bit challenging, but the benefits are starting to show. As you move into the second week of daily lemon consumption, your body starts to adapt. The bright zest of this citrus fruit isn't just a delight to your taste buds, but it also brings about a cascade of health benefits. One of the first things you might notice is the change in your skin. The vitamin C in lemons plays a crucial role in the production of collagen, a protein that keeps your skin supple and radiant, so don't be surprised if your mirror reflects a healthier glow. But the magic of lemons isn't just skin deep. Inside your body, they're working to fortify your immune system. The ascorbic acid in the lemons enhances your body's ability to fight off infections. So while the world is sneezing and sniffling, you might find yourself breezing through cold and flu season. Now, let's address the elephant in the room: weight loss. While lemons aren't a magic bullet for shedding those extra pounds, they can certainly help. The pectin fiber in lemons aids in fighting hunger cravings, and their alkaline nature can help balance your body's pH levels, promoting overall weight loss when paired with a balanced diet and regular exercise. Speaking of a balanced diet, it's important to note that while lemons are a fantastic addition to your daily routine, they aren't a standalone solution. They're a part of the puzzle, not the entire picture. Consuming lemons daily should complement a diet rich in a variety of fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains. It's all about balance, after all. The second week of lemon consumption might also bring a newfound energy. The potassium in lemons helps with nerve function and can give you that little extra spark you need to conquer your day. By the end of the second week, your body is reaping the full benefits of this citrus wonder. Your skin is glowing, your immune system is robust, and you're feeling more energized. All this just from adding a dash of lemon to your daily diet. Now, isn't that refreshing? Entering the third week of your lemon journey, your body is now fully adjusted to this new routine. You're not just surviving on this citrusy regimen, you're thriving. The zestful flavor of lemon has become a staple of your daily routine, and you're beginning to notice some truly remarkable changes. Lemons, as we know, are packed with vitamin C, a potent antioxidant that helps protect your cells from damaging free radicals. As you continue to consume a lemon each day, your heart is reaping the benefits. Studies have linked higher vitamin C intake with a reduced risk of heart disease. Your heart, the powerhouse of your body, is likely pumping with increased vigor and efficiency. Now let's talk about your kidneys. These vital organs are responsible for filtering waste products from your blood. The citric acid in lemons can assist in preventing kidney stones by increasing urine volume and pH level, creating a hostile environment for kidney stone formation. But the effects aren't just physical. You may also be experiencing increased mental clarity. The flavonoids present in lemons have been found to cross the blood-brain barrier, exerting neuroprotective effects and potentially improving cognitive function. So, not only is your body feeling healthier, your mind is sharper as well. However, amidst these health benefits, we must not overlook the need for regular dental care. The citric acid in lemons, while beneficial for your kidneys, can erode tooth enamel over time. It's essential to maintain a good oral hygiene routine to protect your teeth. Consider rinsing your mouth with water after your daily lemon, or using a straw to minimize contact with your teeth. Incorporating a lemon a day into your diet is not just about embracing a new flavor, it's about welcoming a host of potential health benefits. From your heart to your kidneys to your mind, the impact is far-reaching and profound. By the end of week 3, your body is thriving on this lemony regimen. But remember, the journey doesn't end here. As we move into the final week, we'll explore the culminating effects of this citrusy venture. Stay tuned. As you approach the final days of the month, the effects of daily lemon consumption have become a part of your everyday life. The tangy routine of incorporating this vibrant yellow fruit into your diet has started to feel like second nature, hasn't it? So, what has been happening to your body this last week, and more importantly, what can you expect in the long run? Remember, these are potential benefits and may vary based on individual health and lifestyle factors. By now, you might have noticed an overall improved sense of well-being. This could be due to the increased hydration from the lemon water. Hydration is key to maintaining energy levels, assisting in digestion and promoting optimal organ function. The high amount of vitamin C found in lemons may also be playing a role here. This powerful antioxidant helps to fight off free radicals, thus potentially reducing your risk of cardiovascular disease and stroke. It's also known for boosting the immune system, aiding in the prevention of common illnesses like a cold or flu. Your skin may be looking brighter too. The combination of water and vitamin C can contribute to improved skin health, possibly reducing wrinkles and blemishes and giving you a natural glow. Lastly, let's not forget about the potential benefits to your digestive system. The citric acid in lemons can enhance your body's ability to digest and absorb nutrients, leading to improved overall gut health. But remember, while lemons can be a healthy addition to your diet, it's always crucial to consult a healthcare professional before making major dietary changes. They can help you assess the benefits and risks based on your personal health profile and guide you towards a nutritional plan that's best for you. By day 30, your lemon journey has transformed not just your diet, but potentially your overall health. It's been a fascinating journey, hasn't it? But this is just the beginning. The world of nutrition is vast and full of surprises. So keep exploring and keep nourishing your body with what it needs. After all, as they say, you are what you eat. So what have we learned from this month-long lemon journey? Indeed, it has been an enlightening voyage into the world of citrus and more specifically lemons. We've traced the journey of a simple yellow fruit from the first day to the 30th and have uncovered a myriad of health benefits and potential drawbacks that could result from daily consumption. Throughout this journey, we've discovered that lemons are a veritable treasure trove of nutrition. They're rich in vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant that boosts your immune system, aids in collagen production, and helps maintain healthy skin. Lemons also contain a healthy dose of dietary fiber and other essential nutrients like potassium and vitamin B6. However, it's also crucial to remember that while lemons are indeed a powerhouse of nutrition, they're not a one-size-fits-all solution. Some people may experience acidity or heartburn due to the high citric acid content in lemons. Therefore, it's always a good idea to consider individual health considerations and possible allergies before incorporating lemons or any other food into your daily routine. And lastly, always seek professional advice. No internet video, no matter how informative, can replace the nuanced understanding and personalized advice that a healthcare professional can provide. Remember, while lemons are indeed a powerhouse of nutrition, it's always best to consult a healthcare professional before making any major changes to your diet. Thank you for joining us on this journey, and don't forget to subscribe to Brainy-tainment for more health insights and facts.